Welcome to our journey through the stunning beaches of Rio de Janeiro, all captured in breathtaking 4K resolution. Rio, a city where the vibrancy of life spills onto the very shores, where the rhythm of the samba seems to echo in the crashing waves. Get ready to explore the beauty and charm of these iconic locations, each with its own unique character and allure. Our exploration begins on the shores of Copacabana, a beach that needs little introduction. Known worldwide, this iconic stretch of sand is a symbol of Rio de Janeiro's vibrant culture and natural beauty. Stretching for miles, a golden crescent lapped by the azure waters of the Atlantic, Copacabana is a symphony of activity. From dawn till dusk, the beach is alive with the energy of locals and tourists alike. The air thrums with the joyous cries of children playing in the surf, their laughter mingling with the sound of the waves crashing onto the shore. The rhythmic thud of volleyballs being spiked and served, and the chatter of friends enjoying the sun, sharing stories and laughter as they bask in the warmth. The iconic black and white promenade, a mosaic underfoot, winds its way along the length of the beach, inviting both locals and visitors to take a leisurely stroll. A constant stream of humanity flowing along its path, each person adding to the vibrant tapestry of life here. Here, amongst the sunbathers and the vendors, one can truly feel the pulse of Rio, a city where the energy of the people meets the tranquility of the sea. From the energy of Copacabana, we move to the chic shores of Ipanema. Known for its affluent residents and sophisticated atmosphere, Ipanema possesses a more laid-back elegance. The beach itself is a haven for surfers, their silhouettes dancing against the backdrop of the setting sun as the light dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the sand. The sky erupts in a fiery spectacle of color. It is a sight that has inspired poets and musicians alike, immortalized in the classic song The Girl from Ipanema. Chapter 3, Leblon, a family affair. Our next destination takes us to Leblon, a beach that exudes a sense of tranquility and refinement. Favored by families and those seeking a more peaceful escape, Leblon offers a respite from the bustling energy of its neighbors. The beach is pristine, the sand soft and white, and the waters calm and inviting. Towering above it all, the iconic peaks of the Dois Irmãos Mountains provide a dramatic backdrop. Here, one can simply relax, breathe in the fresh sea air, and watch as the world goes by. Chapter 4, Barra da Tijuca, a surfer's paradise. For those who prefer their beaches with a side of adrenaline, Barra da Tijuca awaits. This beach is not just a place, it's an experience, a thrilling adventure waiting to unfold. This sprawling beach, stretching for miles along Rio's coastline, is a haven for surfers and water sports enthusiasts. The golden sands and azure waters create a picturesque setting that is both inviting and exhilarating. The waves here are legendary, attracting surfers from across the globe to test their skills. Each wave presents a new challenge, a new story to be told. The atmosphere is electric, the air alive with the whoops and cheers of surfers riding the perfect wave. It's a community, a shared passion that brings people together. Away from the water, Barra da Tijuca offers a modern cosmopolitan vibe with trendy restaurants and bars lining the beachfront. Here you can unwind and enjoy the vibrant nightlife, savoring delicious cuisine and refreshing drinks. Chapter 5, Praia Vermelha, a hidden gem. Our final destination takes us off the beaten path to a secluded cove nestled at the foot of Sugarloaf Mountain. This hidden paradise is often overlooked by tourists, making it a perfect spot for those seeking a more intimate experience with nature. Praia Vermelha, or Red Beach, is a hidden gem, its shores tinged with a unique reddish hue. The sand here is unlike any other in Rio, giving the beach its distinctive name and adding to its allure. This small, sheltered beach offers a sense of tranquility and seclusion, a world away from the bustling crowds of Rio's more famous beaches. It's a place where you can truly unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The waters here are calm and clear, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The gentle waves make it an ideal spot for families and those looking to explore the underwater world without the worry of strong currents. As you relax on the warm sand, Gazing up at the towering peak of Sugarloaf Mountain, you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you. The combination of the stunning natural scenery and the serene atmosphere makes Praia Vermelha a truly magical destination. Thank you for joining us on this visual tour of Rio's best beaches. From the vibrant energy of Copacabana to the tranquil beauty of Praia Vermelha, Rio de Janeiro's coastline offers a beach for every taste. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stunning 4K content. See you in the next adventure.